Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Children, in our last session of chapter 6, manufacturing industries, we have discussed about the importance of industries, their contribution to our national income, location of industries, classification of industries and various type of industries in our country and their contribution to our national income. Students, today we are going to discuss about industrial pollution, control of pollution and the role of NTPC. So let's start with air pollution. Air pollution is caused by the emission of CO2, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. Airborne particulate materials contains both solid and liquid particles like dust, sprays, mist and smoke. Smoke, which is emitted by chimneys of the industries, produce lots of heat which leads to global warming and greenhouse effect. Use of CFC in various industrial products depletes the ozone layer, which filters the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Air pollution affects the human health, animals' health and plants alike and also causes damages to buildings. Water pollution. Water pollution is caused by dumping of organic and inorganic industrial waste into water bodies which pollute the water. The main culprits in this regard are paper, pulp, chemical, textile and dyeing, petroleum refineries, tanneries and electroplating industries that let out dyes, detergents, acids, salts and heavy metals like lead and mercury, pesticides, fertilizers, etc. Industries which produces fly ash, photogypsum and iron and steel slags are the major solid wastes in India which are drained into the rivers. Next is thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water occurs when hot water particles from factories and thermal plants is drained into the rivers and ponds before cooling. Wastes from nuclear plants, nuclear and weapon production facilities cause cancer, birth defects and miscarriages to the women. Soil pollution and water pollution are very closely related. Children, dumping of waste, especially glass, harmful chemicals, industrial effluents, packaging, salts and garbage renders the soil useless, which means it leads to soil erosion and it leads to land degradation as well. Next is noise pollution. High intensity sound generated by running machines, siren, drilling, fans etc. leads to noise pollution. It causes irritation, hearing impairment, heart attack etc. among the nearby people. Unwanted sound is an irritant source of stress to the people as well. Now we will discuss how we can control the environment degradation which is happening just because of these industries. We should minimize the use of water for processing by reusing and recycling it. Harvesting of water is able to meet the water requirements. Treating hot water and water effluents before releasing them in rivers and ponds. Treating of industrial effluents can be done in 3 phases. Primary treatment by mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocculation and sedimentation. Secondary treatment by the biological process. Tertiary treatment by biological, chemical and physical process. This involves the recycling of wastewater as well. In the factories, noise absorbing materials should be used so that noise pollution can be reduced. Machinery and equipments can be used with generators and should be fitted with silencers. Smoke can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal in factories to reduce the air pollution. Particulate matter in the air can be reduced by fitting smokestacks to factories with electrostatic precipitators, fabric filters, scrubbers and initial separators. Now let's discuss the role of NTPC. What is NTPC? NTPC stands for National Thermal Power Corporation. This organization is a completely government-based organization. It has an ISO certificate for EMS, which stands for Environment Management System. The methods which are adopted by this organization are optimum utilization of equipments, adopting latest technology and techniques, and upgrading existing equipments. Minimizing waste generation by maximizing ash utilization. Provision for green belts for maintaining ecosystem through afforestation. Reducing environmental pollution through ash pond management, ash water recycling system and liquid waste management. Ecological monitoring, reviewing and online database management for all its power stations. Students, that is all for today. In the next video, we'll meet with another chapter. Till then, take care, bye-bye and stay safe.